say, all right, head on to the descriptor template, which is showing you the simplest kind of descriptor. Obviously, this is going to be called descriptor for cask. It will need to say what table or tables am I mapping. In this case, you've got one table, the one you just put the name of. So either D242 underscore cask or whatever your table for method has its last syllable. That's what you put in. And then the mappings, of course, are going to be very simple. They're going to be direct mappings, and that's simply what it says. So just give me direct mapping from a certain InSpar to a certain column, which you identify by saying to the table, give me that column name. Okay, so that is a template, and with that template in front of you, I would like you to map the size and type instance variables that you created in your class for cask method, class model for cask method, to the size cask and type cask, or just size and type if that's what you call them, fields that you created in your table. And you know what your table name is called, so you know how to do that. So basically that is the next exercise. Go for it. And when you have that, you actually have a complete Glorp system. You can create it in the database, and you can read and write to it. And we will do that. You can have water. Sorry, but whiskey stops in the oven until the mind you.
I just don't have whiskey here.
We're still on exercise. There is 252. Feel free to note in your notes that Niall's estimate of how long time it will take. I actually knew it. I was expecting to do a certain amount of setup in the registration. They have no registration cancelled.
I did. Garrett.
Yeah, so basically it is to try to make it. Obviously, it's not that it's still a even so, I think trying to estimate the time to okay, how are you? Yep. The moment of truth approaches for all of us who have a database. Will it work? Tons. Yeah, yes.
I'd like to throw it in just to.
But
No, the reason is, I think you're right.
Yeah. Well, okay.
Let's look at some of this here.
got that method, Glorp will create it. Once you've created this, you don't need to do any of this stuff. All you need to do is write those three methods. Literally, all you do. No, don't worry, that's coming. Literally, just create these three methods and then the Glorp system will do it all for you. In the descriptor that you've got, you've got something. Yes, here it's have you loaded the parcels? Yes. No, you must not load the parcels. Okay, so where else do we? Yeah, no, it's all three. Sorry, those three. That one, those three recs, but it's got the descriptor system there.
Oh, yes,
Okay, now you know this one. And that's where you write all of them. Sorry about that. Now you shoot that out. Oh, there we go. There we go, draft two switches. Oh, that's it. That's it. So you see, you've got the protocol, analysis, descriptor system. Yeah, so that's the first one. Okay, there are two more things you need to do. In the Brown 242 descriptor system, look at the method all table names. I, of course, have a huge number, but if you look at yours, it's all commented out, but there's a very strong hint as to what you should actually take. So if any of you look at the equivalent one on your side, you'll see that it's all set up to tell Glorp that it's going to use that table. That is one thing you must uncomment and get ready. And if you then look at its comment, you'll see the script. If you look at its comment, you should see a script very like this. However, my apologies if I'm getting a bit ahead of things. Basically, once you have the three methods, define the script. Basically, anyone who's reached that point, let me know. Okay, so basically, obviously, your all table names has to mention the cask table name that you've got, and the script needs to obviously be updated with the appropriate platform. Now, in fact, for all of you guys who are on 7.10.1 or earlier, it will be SQL platform. I can use Socket, but you can't, so I'll just leave it where you have it. I think I have it set on the script I gave you, which is in the, it's the class comment of descriptor system, of the subclass of descriptor system that you're working on, the one that you followed. So you should be able to find that. Now this logging enabled true is useful because it means that all the SQL you generate will scroll past on the transcript. You obviously would not do this normally. It doesn't exactly speed things up. In fact, it can be quite astonishingly slow things down. But for this exercise, I recommend it. Then you'll actually see what's being generated. And this is the command that would drop any tables, if there were any, and will then recreate them. Now, obviously, you need to define a suitable database or pick one that you have. So, you know, my randomly chosen name, to yourself, and this is the connect string for a typical local installation. Postgres. Did it work or did it?
It crashed the
Okay.
Oh,
right, great.
That's, yeah, nice.
Oh dear. Let's try again. Seems definitely not right.
No.
You're DB2, right?
Right.
Okay. Certainly shouldn't have done that.
No, it shouldn't.
I
It
mean,
shouldn't.
I was expecting people to have hiccups when they try to run it. But this is, that's amazing.
Yeah, sometimes hangs when you step through Glorp
Okay.
accesses in the debugger.
Okay.
It's
How
something,
interesting.
it's something that nobody can tell me why.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm the guy who wrote the Glorp, or for the accessor for the so when you bought all this, I was back in 2008.
Yeah, but it was hanging before that also already, so.
Yeah, we should see what we can do. Actually, the DB2 one is false entirely. I
Oh,
never wrote
okay.
DB2s.
Okay.
It's DB2 that you're using.
It is, it is.
Anyway,
I tried to, but he's
Yeah.
avoiding, he's telling me it's not responsible.
We should sit down actually and work through it sometime later in the week. This is actually something there's.
Yeah.
But for the moment, let's see if we can run it again and get it to work. So.
Okay, thank you for that.
Oh, you did not have the urban save.
No, I didn't have the chance to do it, so.
Okay. Do you have to recreate all those methods?
No, it's all in the beginning.
Oh,
No?
yeah, of course.
You remember?
Yes, I can remember. Fifth, isn't it?
There are some good things to it.
Now, remember, look at the persistent method. You've got three methods in your descriptor system called persistent. And you want to call, one of them is table, one of them is class, one of them is descriptor. So don't forget to put those in, otherwise you haven't sorted out your identity. And so it certainly will not work. That's a point actually, yes. Just make sure you put this.
So this is what I tried. I tried to
Yeah, yeah.
connect with. That's good. Yeah, that's a switch.
And then
Yeah.
I don't know what verboten means, I don't know what verbinden means.
Okay. Yeah, that's something that we will.
That's you for me.
You have a session, right, okay, so you have a session, so you can now run that script.
Right.
Put yourself in the session. Can you see it work? Yeah. No, it's okay, you've got those automatically inherited, you can't have an ID inherited from the system object. So basically, the system object is giving you for free. I decided to just do that. So basically, if you've got those three methods, then what you can do is look at your descriptor systems comment. So there is the script that I was talking about, that's the one up there. You need to change that to be live for your data. Well, you've got two methods still to do. Okay, right. Yes. Don't do this until you've got all three methods. You should have one class for, one class model for, one. So yes, that's now when you've got the sign, so you're going on back. There you go. Right. That's it. There we go. Yeah, that's Oracle platform. That's the wrong class name. If you look at the platform, you look at subclasses. Oh, sorry, that's oh, yes. What's the no, that's for Postgres. That's for Postgres. Yes, you use a lot of this. Yes. Oh. Sorry, you have Oracle installed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how would you, right, so what is the name you use?
No, I don't know. It's just so yeah, I just username, the passwords and everything.
Okay, so there's some. Oh, right. Okay, yeah.
Few minutes.
Okay.
So I thought this.
Well, I'm gonna give it a try. If you think it will work, give it a try. I'm not sure. No, that doesn't understand. Okay. No, I don't. You need to find out what the there will be some sort of name. For example, do you have your store on that Oracle?
No.
Oh, right. You don't have your store. Where do you have store?
That was files and CBS.
Oh, I see. Okay. What do you have anything that logs you in? Because I will probably show you a string.
Yeah. Username.
Yeah.
This is my
Okay. You would probably have a file called TNS.
There's
That probably has the next string in it somewhere. Oh, right. So which one? I'm sorry, I can't.
I am. You can find now. I think it's I don't have a name right now because I'm offline and so I have a network.
Except for looking through TNS Aura until you find the name. I don't know how to find it. The point is this image, correct me if I'm wrong, this image is not connected to Oracle. So you won't be able to find anything from this image.
No, this is.
Sorry, this is connected.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, right, so it's connected. In that case, it's not. Actually, it's just possible. One moment. This guy's in Object Studio. He's connected to Oracle. He doesn't know the connect string that the application is using. Now, if he were on Visualworks, he'd be using the XDI class, so he could just look for the XDI instances. Would he be using that in Oracle too?
Yeah, I think that the Object Studio Oracle wrapper now uses the.
Yeah, okay, right. So look for Oracle EXPI connection. Oracle capital EXPI. Oracle EXPI. Connection. It's it's no Oracle EXPI connection class image. You must be using older stuff.
What's that?
You must be using an older version of Object Studio. What version of Object Studio?
4.
8.
That's
fairly new.
8.1?
851.
Oh, yeah, that's the last version that we have there. Or is it the current version? It's the current version. Oh, you said 8.1.
Oh, you're connecting over to C. Oh, that's how you're connecting to Oracle.
This thing is a little bit.
Oh, no, yeah, that's part of the okay, so here's what we're doing. So, query. Okay, right, there's an excellent chance that one or other of those knows how to connect strings. Combine. Does that sound plausible?
Yes, it is.
Well, the point is that would be, I would expect that to be, maybe it's had it. Try have it and see somewhere.
Section, non-table engineering.
Okay, right.
Im Moment, ja, Coach, weißt du, konnte er nicht so gut.
Oh, look at J-Cask. What's that? That's a type of. You almost certainly your method name, actually, yes, your method name will be table to cast, J-Cask, but in string. Oh, it is J-Cask.
Yeah, but this has to be coupled.
Oh, right. Okay, fine, yes. Okay, that's.
I know.
You worked. Good. You worked. Okay. Another oh, because you didn't. Sorry, my example is not. Sorry. It's cast, not listed. Rewrite. Yeah. Everyone doesn't have it. Yeah, obviously they've got to agree with me, so basically you've got to make sure that everything agrees.
Yeah.
Whatever name you use the same one.
It's just
Okay, so you make it up, yes, make it up. Okay, has anyone got to the point of actually successfully running the create table stuff? Maybe you did opt out for it. Yeah, good. Oh, you created it, right? Splendid. Oh, so he did. Right. Well done. We have a winner. Woo! Okay, good.
My question is not I have to close.
Yes, you probably don't have one in your table. Go to your table form. Okay, table for cards. Yes, yeah, that's the one you want to call. Yeah, so call this one in that, so self, this is set it up to be brands. All three of them should have that method. All three of them should have that one to start with. Yeah, was the rest of it tends to assume it maps you to certain cases. It just tends to assume different case. Just I think you can turn it off. It's a default setting, and you can turn it off. But there's a last manual configuration settings in the files called
session.
No, that's executed in policies. It's generated. Okay, your connection is undefined. What is the script?
I don't know the words to do.
Do you want to put that slow?
I think so.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I gonna inspect of the logic.
So, yeah, so that's fine. So section.
That's next weekend. Not this weekend, next weekend. And then have some dinner. And then Monday's a Jewish holiday. And then a bank holiday in the UK.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you're trying to recast. Oh, you don't have. Sorry, yes, you've got to do work session. Session.
Because then they have all the Jewish holidays.
Spec simply sort of like
And then.
that's what it should have read like. Okay, so do I take it you actually managed to create the tables and now you're trying to read the task? Okay, so that should work.
I all seemed out pretty early. Had a changed. Pretty good. Did you look into that tier thing that I showed you? That
Looks
one
like
boost
roll BW4.
or something like that?
Okay, so yeah, that.
And I sent Nick to.
Okay, so you need to. But if you successfully ran the back section, did you successfully run the first one?
And I sent a message to Sarah. Because I didn't have the contact.
So you that one at all?
And
This one here, and not that one.
the other one did stuff, so that Nick sent me a number.
Yes, this is the, no, sorry. You run that. Sorry, can I just check the mark?
She in geometry now? Or is she? Yeah, she likes
This one.
She needs more focus on just math.
That's the one you would have in trouble with. Is that one?
She's doing any extracurricular stuff? She's doing sports. Not even out.
Yeah, and try to move with the
How are we doing? It works.
She's not.
Excellent.
Fired.
Okay. pilot stage. And we get through CSP. In that case, we are ready to do some reading. You're Okay, we have several people who have successfully created the database, and we would then be ready to read and start developing and adding a whole lot more stuff. However, it is now 2 minutes short of the end time. Now, I guess the good news is that those of you who have managed somehow to maintain your enthusiasm all the way through this can come and see me, drink whiskey, and basically on one-on-one sessions I will take you through the next few bits. So basically you are quite capable of doing, you're quite capable of writing a cask, reading it, and all the rest.
And drinking it.
And drinking it too. With only 2 minutes left, however, I guess it's a case of saying, well, you did get started in Glorp. You've actually got to the point of genuinely creating tables and setting up a simple descriptor system. I had imagined we'd get further, but that's my fault for not being a very good estimate at the time. So thanks very much. I will take questions, or you can come and ask them and have.
Yeah, that was the question.
Yeah.
You never waste that.
I think I should get credit. I asked a question during the beginning, so
Oh,
I think I should get
okay,
credit
right, you get
for my question.
Okay. At the reception, I think we've got, correct me if I'm wrong, we've got a break and then half an hour, and then at the reception, I will be at the table, there will be this, there will be glasses, and we'll do a bit more. And hopefully you get a better feeling for the power of Glorp than you've managed to get so far when you demonstrate one class, one table, and one mapping between them for 2 instance variables, which, you know, it's a start.
Hello, world.
Hello world.
Hello world.
Now see, now it's what kind of whiskey? Hello world is now what kind of whiskey?
Okay, any final questions? Or we said, no, you of course, you're not going to waste them.
Yes, we're not wasting questions.
No one had any questions. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Sorry it didn't go further, and we'll do more later.
Thanks, Nick. How will this apply to the advanced course on Thursday?
The advanced course is talk.
Okay.
So basically, don't worry. I stand up, I show you some things, you don't have to do anything. You can doze off. And if you drunk too much of that, you probably will. But the advanced is talk. So
Really,
quite different.
will there be whiskey in that session?
It uses the same domain, so you will come primed to understand the whiskey domain. It's all there, and we start with the legacy, and we do a few. I do a few refactorings, and you just have to watch. So yes,
We just sit there and look pretty and we do all the work.
absolutely. So, yes, it's at the far end of this. It's just we didn't quite get the end. We started doing it work off, and then I probably. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you, Neil.
Appreciate it.